good rain here in central Fort Myers about an hour ago.
Yeah, a little bit of passing downpours. That's what we were expecting, and it's going to kind of be quiet for the rest of the night. It's tomorrow morning that if we get another band of rain from Raphael, it would be tomorrow morning, and it could easily stay offshore, and we stay completely dry.
Could be a lot, could be absolutely nothing.
Yeah, but really that's been how the forecast has been. We were expecting some passing downpours, and then tomorrow morning, if we were getting an outer band, that would be it.
At least it's going.
But it's moving west.
Exactly.
Keep on
We'll
moving
take
west. Yeah, take a look. You can see Raphael on radar here down through Cuba, made landfall as a major hurricane. So the Keys are going to be impacted by this. And I'll tell you what, it looks way too close for comfort. We have a Category 2 hurricane sitting just to the south of us, but this westerly motion is going to take over, and we still have the same forecast, if not lowering the rain potential and lowering the wind potential for our region as it continues to push off to the west. We're dry right now. We had those passing downpours as we were expecting earlier tonight. We will either stay dry completely or get a quick passing downpour for first thing tomorrow morning around morning commute time. That's going to be our only real last rain chance as we see Raphael push off to the west. Now, the atmosphere is pretty saturated because of all this tropical moisture. Regardless of Raphael itself, its influence around the system has thrown a lot of tropical moisture away. That's pretty humid out there, so that can support some of those showers that come on through. The tornado risk has been lowered as well. Remember yesterday we were talking about a slight, and we're talking about a 5% chance here. That's what that green color is going to indicate along some of our coastal spots, and they've shaved that down a little bit more just to include coastal Collier County really for tonight, and we're not even seeing that many rain showers push on through. So this is what I mentioned. Tomorrow morning it's kind of all or nothing, only for the coastal spots though, really. And if the storm continues to push off to the west, our chances will go lower and lower, and the wind potential will follow suit. This is Thursday at 7 o'clock in the morning. That rain band is 20 miles offshore in this computer model. Some computer models have it 20 miles to the east, so that's within the margin of error. So that's what we're going to be dealing with tomorrow morning. Is it dry with showers offshore? Is it breezy with showers onshore? Or do we have to deal with some rain for the morning commute? That's what we'll be dealing with, and that 20-mile jog is going to mean all the difference for the coastal spots. So we'll keep you up to date and see how that's progressing with each computer model run, and really just tracking Raphael along with some of those computer models. This would be a morning event. This is 9:30, so kind of pushing away. As the morning goes on, Raphael gets farther and farther to the west, and its impacts would lower. Throughout the rest of the afternoon, it should be pretty dry. A lot of questions about Thursday night football, high school football on Thursday instead of Friday for this week. I'll tell you what, it looks pretty dry. Conditions should be great. The worst case scenario we would have is a passing downpour like what we had earlier, just because the atmosphere is so saturated. But all things that we're seeing is that we will be free and clear from any influence of Raphael by Thursday afternoon, maybe just a little bit on the breezy side. Friday will be dry and kind of back to normal. The watches and warnings are offshore, but also include the Keys. They have never been onshore for us, and that's good. Here's a look at the wind potential for tomorrow, 20-mile-per-hour gusts. That's manageable, and that's what we'll track for tomorrow. Once we head through the afternoon, still about 20-mile-per-hour gusts, so it's breezy at times, and by Friday, we're back to pretty calm weather. 15-mile-per-hour gusts here or there, which is pretty standard for any day in Southwest Florida with a normal 10-mile-per-hour wind.